Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off Express Transit on Apple Pay on iPhone 17. Express Transit lets you pay with your phone for transit, for public communication, without double clicking on the side button, without confirming, and it only works on public transit. So don't worry, in stores you'll still need to double click and verify with Face ID or passcode, but for public transport you can pay without really confirming, which if you like it you can enable it. And to do it, go to Wallet, then click on a certain card that you'd like to use, click on three dots, card details, Express Transit settings, and now you can select a card that you'd like to use it with. And now you can see it says that the card you select will work automatically without requiring Face ID or passcode. Just hold your phone near a designated card reader, and it works for like paying for train tickets, for subway tickets or whatever. But in stores it still requires you to confirm, of course. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.